My dear friends, welcome to English for Today. How are you all? Today, we are gonna learn some prepositions of movement. I am sure after watching this video, using these prepositions will be a lot easier for you. So let's start. What are prepositions of movement? Prepositions of movement are used to show movement from one place to another. These prepositions are most often used with verbs of motion and are found after the verb. Now let's learn them. The ball is going down. This ball is going up. The ball is going over the box. And this ball is going under the box. This ball is going into the box. And this ball is going out of the box. This ball is going towards the box. And this ball is going onto the box. The ball is going around the box. And this ball is going through the box. Now it's time for you to practice. Let's practice. Where is the ball going? Yes, you are right. The ball is going around the box. What about this ball? The ball is flying over the box. Now look at this ball. The ball is going towards the box. Now what is happening here? The ball is going down. Where is this ball going? The ball is going onto the box. What is happening to the stars here? The stars are going out of the box. How is the ball moving here? The ball is going under the box. Where is this ball going? The ball is going along the street. Can you tell where is this ball going? The ball is going through the tube. And what about this ball? The ball is going up. The balls are going into the box. Let's practice more. Now, my dear friends, can you label the pictures with the right prepositions? Number 1, it goes along the side. Number 2, it goes through the tube. Number 3, it goes around the circle. Number 4, it goes past the circle. Number 5, it goes over the circle. 6, it goes between the boxes. Number 7. It goes under the block. So that's all for English for today. Thanks for being with me learning the prepositions. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Bye bye.